What's happening, everybody? So another rescue today, recovery, I guess you would call it. A burnt truck, which it'll be my first burnt truck. So not a lot of assistance from the vehicle being towed.
My name's Bruce Cook. I'm always on four wheels, so I might as well make them big.
Gonna take Marge, did a few upgrades on her, including hitch mount rear winch, and made up some skis that we're gonna place under the truck's rims because everything's burnt off. There's no tires, nothing. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll learn for sure. We are loaded up and on the way up the Forest Service Road. Hopefully there's not too much new snow. Well, we've made it to the truck. It's definitely snowed probably about 3 inches overnight, which doesn't sound like a lot, but on the hard pack road it makes it just a bit worse for traction. So we'll get it broken out of the ice that it's going to be in because it started on fire, melted snow, then froze. So we'll get it broken loose at least and then assess from there. I'm gonna back up to it. We'll unload some of the gear out of the back and start working. The road coming in's a little narrower than I remember, and a little less hard pack, and a little more uphill. So yeah, should be fine. Got a solid spot for the jack. We got teamwork happening. This baby's gonna be out of here in no time. So the snowboard truck skis, I think we're gonna try and get under the middle of the cross member instead of the rims. All right, so we're getting the chain rigged up to both sides of the frame because what's left of the bumper is basically tin. And then we're gonna try and winch it forward a bit and then hopefully hook truck and Jeep together and pull it out of here. Chain hooked up, getting Denny pulled around now because there won't be an option to after, because we're gonna be blocking the trail, hopefully, soon. And I think it's gonna take all of both of our power to get out of here. It is very stuck, so we're gonna anchor me to Denny, and I think we just need to break it loose from being held, and then I think it'll go a bit better.
Here we go. It's free. Step one.
Now, step 2 is getting it up that trail. Come on, baby. Now that it's out of the hole,
I'm going to shorten up the winch line and get really close, which is going to increase the angle, pull up on the burn truck a bit, and we're going to try and drive out of here. One night. I was actually expecting just to kind of rig it today and then come pull it out tomorrow, but got it done. It's before dark, 6 o'clock, so not bad. And this is actually my first fully burned, just dead pull recovery, so I'm super stoked with how it went, and I am looking forward to what the next one brings.